Hello and welcome to an overview of the Smarter Workspace. At Smarter, we offer a data-driven talent management solution. Today, we will walk you through how to create an appraisal to evaluate your team. Let's get started. An appraisal is important to assess your team's performance with the relevant competencies of your team. Log into your admin account and you will be directed to the Workspace interface. Go to the Competencies section and click on Appraisal. Create a new appraisal by clicking Create on the top right corner. You can choose either a default template with our system suggestions or a custom template which you can create an appraisal by your own. Input information such as the name of this appraisal, starting and ending date, and why this appraisal is necessary in the introduction part. Of course, you will need to add people who are evaluated in Oddity and people who are going to evaluate them in Auditor. You can set up the appraisal for everyone to evaluate each other by choosing everyone for both sections. Lastly, choose the competencies people are going to evaluate based on in this appraisal. Once finished, simply click Publish Appraisal and you can start the evaluation process. That's it for this product update video. If you find this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.